I just want to give a quick explanation of what's going on here, and then I'll leave you to enjoy the skiing scenes and generic feel-good music. Building forecast models is something I spend a lot of time doing at work, and when I realized I could pull speed data from my GoPro, I wondered, how accurately can I forecast my speed? I used a telemetry extractor to get my speed data and built an xgboost forecasting model using Matt Dancho's modeltime package in R. The results of that exploration are overlaid on this video, where we can see the plot of 10-second ahead forecasts with confidence intervals and what the actual speed was. In the table, we can see the weighted MAPE performance over all holdout data, the last 60 seconds and the last 10 seconds. Before I finish, I'd like to briefly mention why weighted MAPE is used. I think this is the first time someone has discussed weighted MAPE in a YouTube video about skiing. If you know otherwise, let me know. Weighted MAPE is useful when the data you are forecasting has a large range of values, like skiing speed does. By summing absolute errors and actuals before dividing, high percent errors from low values don't drag down otherwise good performance at larger values. MAPE, on the other hand, can skew perception of a model when forecasting a wide range of values. An example of this would be if a value is 1 and you forecasted 2, you are 100% off. But if a value is 100 and you forecasted 101, you are 1% off. MAPE would average 100% and 1% and give you somewhere around 50% error, whereas weighted MAPE would be much closer to 1% total error when averaging the much larger 100 value with the smaller 1 value. I'll leave the rest of the statistical considerations for another movie.